Today, we're taking a detailed look at Upgrade, a website designed to help users build or improve their credit score. Upgrade is known for offering personal loans and a credit card specifically designed to help people who may not have the best credit scores or are looking to establish credit for the first time. But does it really work as advertised? And is it the best option out there? Let's find out. When you first visit the Upgrade website, you'll immediately notice its clean, user-friendly design. The homepage does a great job of outlining the key benefits, with a particular focus on helping you access personal loans and credit cards that can aid in building a positive credit history. The navigation is simple, and you'll find everything you need to know right from the start, including details on fees, terms, and how their credit card and loan products work. One of the standout features of Upgrade is its personal loan offering. Unlike many traditional credit-building loans, Upgrade gives users the opportunity to borrow funds with flexible repayment terms. The loans come with fixed rates, which can be a big plus for those who prefer predictability. What's more, the platform doesn't charge prepayment fees, which is a huge bonus for anyone who wants to pay off their loan early without facing penalties. The loan application process is quick and easy, with an online form that asks for basic financial details. Approval decisions are typically made in minutes, which is perfect for those who need quick access to funds. Upgrade's credit card offering is another great feature, specifically tailored for credit building. This card works by giving you access to a credit limit based on your income and financial history. The key here is that your payments and balances are reported to the major credit bureaus, allowing you to build a positive credit history as long as you make on-time payments. Like the personal loans, Upgrade's credit card comes with a fixed APR, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of interest. The platform also includes a set of educational resources to help users understand the ins and outs of credit building. These resources cover everything from credit scores to debt management, providing valuable information for those who are new to credit or trying to improve their financial situation. Another important aspect to consider when reviewing Upgrade is the fees. While it doesn't charge prepayment fees, there are some other costs you'll need to be aware of, including origination fees for loans and a late payment fee for missed credit card payments. However, compared to other credit-building products, the fees are relatively competitive. Now, let's talk about the overall user experience. The Upgrade website and mobile app are both intuitive and easy to navigate. Once you sign up, you have access to a dashboard that lets you track your credit-building progress. The app also sends you reminders about upcoming payments and provides suggestions for how to improve your credit score. The application process for both loans and credit cards is smooth, and the approval process is relatively quick. However, it's worth noting that Upgrade may require a minimum credit score or income to qualify for certain products, so not everyone will be eligible. But overall, the process is user-friendly and efficient. To wrap up, Upgrade offers a solid and transparent way to build your credit. Its personal loans and credit card products are simple, effective, and come with flexible terms that make them accessible for a wide range of users. While the fees are competitive, they do exist, so it's important to be aware of them before applying. If you're looking for a reliable, straightforward way to improve your credit score, Upgrade is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and financial tips.